Today's episode is Evil Clifford fails to pull the fire alarm in the school hallway / grounded. And it was inspired by Aubrey the Plotagon Girl 2K2, Amber the Moomin fan, and Isaiah the Plotagonist 2007.
Okay class, today we will watch a video about World War II, and you all are going to write down and tell me what you learned about in the video. Yes, Evil Clifford?
Can I please use the bathroom?
Sure, but hurry back so you can come back in time to watch the video, so you can write down and tell me what you learned in the video.
Haha! I can't believe Miss Nakano felt for it. I'll now pull the fire alarm just to get out of stupid but history class. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no you don't.
Oh no! It's Luke.
That's right, an Evil Clifford. You don't ever pull the fire alarm when there's no fire. You should know that's a serious crime, and you can get arrested for doing that.
Hey, what's going on out here? I can hear yelling coming from the hallway.
Well, Miss Nakano, I was about to go to my class. But then, I saw Evil Clifford trying to pull the fire alarm. But thankfully, I stopped him in time.
Really? Evil Clifford, are you serious right now? You tricked me by trying to pull the fire alarm. You should realize pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire can get you arrested.
I'm sorry, Miss Nakano. I only tried to pull the fire alarm just to get out of boring history class, and I hate learning about history.
Evil Clifford, that's no excuse to why you tried to pull the fire alarm when there is no fire. And because of you trying to pull the fire alarm when there is no fire, go to the principal's office right now.
When Evil Clifford got to the principal's office. Evil Clifford, don't tell me why you're here? Because I already heard that you tried to pull the fire alarm just to get out of history class. You should know that pull the fire alarm when there's no fire can get you arrested. And for this, you'll be suspended from this school for 4 weeks. And I will call your parents and your normal clone about this.
What? No, Principal Hernandez. Please, don't call my parents and normal me for what I did. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Evil Clifford, but I have to. It's against the rules. After Principal Hernandez got done calling Evil Clifford's parents, and Clifford, also known as CSP Animations.
Come with us, Evil Clifford.
You are going to be in deep trouble once we get home.
I agree with my parents. Come on, let's go home right now. When Evil Clifford got home.
Oh, Evil Clifford, we're so mad at you. Because you tried to pull the fire alarm at school when there's no fire. You should know that you can get arrested for pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire. But Mom, Dad, and normal me,
No buts. You are grounded until your suspension time is over.
Now go to your room right now, and think about what you have done. And also, you stay there until we say you can come out.
Fine, Mom, Dad, and normal me, if you guys say so. Wow.